capacities in these disciplines and principles for you and for your organizations, and how do you leverage them more effectively? Because when you do, look out. Great things will happen. So I'm going to share 5.
Now try this. Raise your hands up high and say, I am smart.
I am smart.
I am handsome. I'm beautiful.
Somebody has to include the word paradigm at some point.
Because no one wants to be friends with someone that sounds like a walking advertisement. But I was working with him.
All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll write home.
Brian Moran, New York Times bestselling author of The 12-Week Year, and I just finished a talk with the Virginia Council of CEOs. We had a great group. If you're considering getting involved with this group, do it. Really awesome people, quality people, and the investment they make in terms of bringing value to the organizations is second to none. So I want to thank them for inviting me. Hope I get to work with them again. But take a look at Virginia Council of CEOs.